Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 26, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I've been doing these videos for um, over 6 years, and the reason I do them, even on days I hate doing them, is because I want to convey the idea of just what it's like to trade for a living. And anybody that looks at my performance, which I've posted on my website for this 6 years, has to agree that I've done pretty well. But the idea I want to convey is that you can do very well trading, and yet, in some ways, it's a horrible business. It's just psychologically draining. And this month is a good case in point. It wouldn't make any difference what happens tomorrow and on Monday. We're going to have a good month for September because we had such terrific profits the first 7 trading days of this month. But since then, it's just been one losing day after another. Only one really bad day, but the rest of the days, it's just like death by 1,000 cuts. It drains a little blood out of us every single day. And that gets so wearing psychologically. You just feel like, when's it going to end? This is impossible. This is horrible. I hate this. I can't stand this. And it doesn't make any difference how many years or decades I've been doing this. It's the same way. I lose money trading, and then I got to get on the internet and talk about it to all of you. I do not like doing it, but I do it because I do feel there's um, some gain for anybody that wants to know what it's really like. Unfortunately, trading does not reward you emotionally. You only get rewarded. I'm just pulling a figure out of your head, but you only really get rewarded about 1 out of every 10 trading days. And the rest of the days, even when you're making money, are oftentimes just frustrating as hell. And today we didn't make money, and it's more than frustrating. We just had another losing day today, and I think we've had, if I'm not mistaken, like 8 out of the last 9 days have been losing, and that one winning day didn't amount to much. So I basically had to endure 9 consecutive days of disappointment and frustration, and you get to the end of that, you honestly, you don't want to do this anymore. Even though I get to the end of the month and the final tally is going to show we had a pretty decent month as far as profits. I don't know what the answer is. I'm just expressing my own feelings and trying to convey of just how difficult trading for a living can be. And that's why most people can't do it. Anyway, uh, the Dow today, you can see, oh, opened up, actually up a little, and then sold off, rallied, sold off at the end. Really didn't look like it was doing anything. Officially, it's down 80 for the day. We had 10 positions, I believe, and we were negative about $4,000 on those yesterday on the close. We got out with negative about 5,500, and I won't say that it was disappointing. Actually, at one point it was negative almost $10,000. So when we finally did get out negative 5,500, I was relieved to some extent, but still another losing day. Put that in the old spreadsheet, pulls down September's equity a little more. I have only 2 more days. Maybe could we have a positive day next two days that are left of September? Honestly, I doubt it. I think we'll probably see a couple more days just like today. Anyway, we got into 2 positions today, 1 positive, 1 negative. We had a pretty good one in drip going on, and it went to basically nothing by the end of the day. Everything was frustrating today. Nothing went right, and I have nothing to show you. I'm sorry. That's my rant for the day. This is Trader Bob signing off. Be back here again tomorrow on my favorite day, Friday.